fishing. Jonas, don't play me. It's raining now. Pepe, the robot to do them. So this is where we are now. I've just put it into the gas oven, put some salt on top, and then just going to try and dry this up and also do the same for the chicken. So it's in the gas stove, so the heat can only come from the bottom part because there's no element when it comes to gas stove. So let's see how this goes. So why are you I'm a chief and I go back to the local site. What? Oh, natural bubbles. Iri kuvaka zveita chimini trabablas chimashini.
Wakazamini traba?
Depends, it's a mini trabablas. What is a 2 million cent? We go any 4 million. 2 anopinda mtown, 2 anokuda mtown.
Swengar pamsa, huh?
Vanopinda mtown, I think vanogara pamusoro. Huh? Ndiyo irodhiyo iri dasi muchaona huzvo hawakaona kuenda kutravhi wakaona zvazvikaita travhi anodhiraivha achongozvonoti akukwidza mberi
ndingachingofamba
unachingofamba kuti kana munhu akamira manje pamota yake ndosingazinyatsoiti zvapasina kuendesa what's the actual thing here? To keep a distance. Aba bayanga shida overtake and it. Can't be advertised. But I feel like it's a minimum because the ones who discover this material going to lose a see? It was material, she will have this material. Ukasawedzera speed anopinda vanhu vakomba kangona space iro reda useyasingakwana anozotiwo uchaita plani yekuti yakwana kana kangoisa musoro wake ndo zvinoitwa muharare kuti pakangoita space inokwana musoro kombi inenge yatodai iye anozotiwo hausuda kuafectwa saka uchabate mabhiriki kana kutsvaka plani
spare bridge ndo renge riri pamusoro
ndo rinobatana neukizvo apa parikuita kunge
napawatovava
airafamba
patakauya rasina uda pava chiine mazikusimbi ari kuoneka
vanhu apa vanoshanda ndoita kanjese nodaro musandazi zvaro muzoti kofana zvaari kuita api auya pakati pedu nemota yered aita kupinda achimhanya uye wered atobata mabhireki kuti yakwana izvo zvaari kuita kumhanya akangona pangovhurika mbichana kuita mazispeed short ari kuti vanhu vava vari kufamba zvishoma havana kwavanomhanyira kuti Ikruskozi kupigwe vanhu zvavanotoita criss cross takatarisa ipo aurega kucrossa vangu vachipesana vanofana kuti varobhoti robho risingashandiswa noshowa kuti saka voita zvekudii. Hi besties and welcome back to a brand new vlog. This is Vlogmas episode 4 if I'm not mistaken. So welcome to a brand new vlog. If you're new to this channel, my name is Delighted. I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. So if you'd like that type of vibe, please consider hitting the subscribe button to become a part of the family. And to all my besties, my regular besties, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm currently in town. I'm just going to get some stuff. I'll try to show you my OOTD. I'm just wearing these earrings from Shein, just a cap to cover the mess in my hair. But I'll show you the OOTD, and we're just going to the salon, going to need one first, and then we're going to the salon because my little sisters need to get their hair done. One of them is busy eating and making noise this side. The other one is in the back. Hi, darling. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.
Well done.
And talk about this. Sando kutotikari kure. Akazonyanyoita ndamubva foni kakakubuda. Vhara hakoshi. Iye ndokuvhara. Ndodyiwa nadhokazi. Ndatoda kusvika keke yangu. Wazotora chi? Ndo flavor yauri kuda here kana kuti wangonhonga? No para allá. No para allá. No para allá. Chiri kugirifreya wangatedza freya sai. Ah, ukona wapisa wadi fried. Nani wasingatudi. Ndoenda papo. Pane mota yakawa mashirika. I want to give an update. Hi besties, I hope you can see me. So we are now on our way home. We just left town. We're almost home actually, not just left town. And we just got and I need to start eating because I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything since breakfast. So we just got a donut, plastic cream donut, and a drink. Okay. And I got this fruticana and a mini brain muffin. So this is what I'm going to eat. I think, I don't remember if I took you guys to Texas, but we got this in Nyaningwe. So I'm going to eat this. And then when we get home, we have to make supper. It's now 7:01. I think we'll be home around 7:20. Then we can make supper and stuff. And I'll talk to you guys later. If I don't talk to you guys, this will be the end of the vlog. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Water. Let's go focus on. Let's focus. Mijay.